of justice. And you have 2 days to find the Goliath spider. If you do not complete, your house will be blown up. Ooh, oh my God. I think that was a talking bull. Elsa, come here. Come on. Ah! A bull has sent us a mission. We've got to find a Goliath spider. Otherwise, he didn't tell us where it is. If we don't find it in 2 days, he will blow up our house. And then he just flew over there. He was right here.
Ralph, is this the Goliath spider?
No.
What is it?
It's way too tiny. It's got to be huge. It's got to be huge.
Why does it have to be huge? It could be small.
Because it says Goliath.
Oh.
Gigantua. Think of the juggernaut, say.
Ralph, is this a spider?
Wait. Are you serious? Is this a spider?
Yeah.
It's a frog. It's just a poison frog.
I don't know what anything is.
Does that look like a spider?
Yes.
Look at that. Does that look like a spider?
Yes. It's black.
It's not a spider. Look at the sky. It's so dark.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. We should try it the next day.
Why?
Come on, let's go to bed. Come on. What a lovely day to find the spider again. I don't think we might have found it in 2 days. He could possibly blow up our house, but he just flew over there. That's strange. What the heck is that? Is that a snake or something?
Okay.
What is your face there? Oh my God. This is a snake. It's a snake.
It's a snake. It's a snake.
Ooh.
Is this a spider? Wow!
What?
Is it a spider?
It's a deathstalker scorpion.
Ooh. I'm going to stamp on it.
Sting you.
Ow, that hurts.
I am.
So building the spiders live in trees, okay? So they might be in the trees.
Let's check on them. That's a toad.
This is a toad.
Let's keep looking. What is that?
What is it?
I don't know.
It has flashes on it. What is it? What is it? It's called
I don't know.
Whoa. Is it a live spider?
Yes. No, it's not a glass spider. Look at that. That is small. It's got to be 20 inches. Ha! Tricks you.
Ah!
It is a glass spider, I think. Now, where's that ball? We need to give it to him. Ooh, I have shapeshifted into a great ball. I see you've got the spider, have you? Give it to me then. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have done that. Well, yes, I shouldn't have put that in my potion. What's happening?
We won! We won!
No, we won! We so beat it! In your face, Red Bull! Where did the blue one go? He said he shapeshifted, didn't he?
Oh yeah.
Wait.
We won! Yes, we can tell Mum!
I am not dead! I didn't die with a glass spider! I didn't die getting kicked! I am back! And I will kill them both. I will blow up their house when they are in it. And I am back for more. The next quest, they will have to find the heavy M3 tank. Well, no, not heavy M3. It's I don't know. It's just a tank. It's a tank. I think it's a heavy tank. It's strong, and it's one of my favorites. Until next time.